He says, وَفِي رِوَايَةِ الْمُسْلِمٍ, in a narration in the Muslim, he says, مَنْ عَمِلَ عَمَلًا لَيْسَ عَلَيْهِ أَمْرُنَا. If anybody acts on some action, لَيْسَ عَلَيْهِ أَمْرُنَا, upon which our matter has not been designed or established, فَهُوَ رَدٌ, then that is rejected. What's the difference between this and the previous one? Idea is the same, trying to deliver the same objective. But over here, when you change it into man amila amalan, meaning by action, i'tiqadan, you may not believe it. Right? Now, what happens? I'm going to give an example, and with this example, you might understand and think of back home. Where are you from? Somalia. Think of back home, right? African culture, right? MashaAllah, Pakistan. Think of the Pakistani culture, Turkish culture. Think of it, right? Every culture will have it. Okay. A person dies. What do we need to do? On the third day, we are going to gather and we're going to recite Quran. On the 10th day, we are going to gather with the family. We're going to give out food. On this day, on that day, and this, right? And then you will have some knowledgeable or scholar people coming and telling you, on the 27th day the ruh is going here and the ruh goes there and everything, so that's why on the 40th day we have to gather again, right? These things happen. Now Pakistani culture, you know that yes, we have that, but did Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, did the Sahaba, Tabi'een, didn't they know where the ruh is going and everything? Did they talk about it? They didn't talk about it, never, right? 3 days you show grief, khalas, done, carry on with the life. There's a lot of life that you have to live. Don't get stuck with those who have already gone to their abode, right? Once Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked, he mentioned in one hadith that never delay a burial, whether it is for a good person or a bad person. Why? For a good person, because you are delaying him from meeting his Rabb, from meeting the goodness, the bounties that he is about to be bestowed. And for the bad person, right, he doesn't deserve to be taken away from what's coming up ahead. Why did he live his entire life like that? So don't delay him from that. Bury him so that his reckoning can start. Right? So that is the maqsad. That was the point. After 3 days, for ladies, yes, they have their own way of mourning. They have been given their time of mourning, whether it's going to be someone who is about to bear a child, then up till the hamal takes place, or 4 months, 10 days, or whichever is going to be, or 3 months, 3 menstrual cycle, whatever is going to be, that's going to be the mourning, right? But beyond that, there's nothing. Yes, you feel so much about the deceased. Do your own individual acts. This is what I mentioned on Friday as well. Someone comes and asks me, Fulana so and so passed away in India. Please make a group dua. Why? Why make a group dua for someone we don't know, right? Yes, he's our brother. We are going to make dua for them. But he's not the only one who passed away. There are hundreds of others who passed away. We're not thinking about them. So what's best? And when we make the group dua, what is everybody doing? Ameen, Ameen. Are they empathetic to the person who passed away? No. They are fulfilling a culture. Raise a hand, say Ameen. Raise a hand, say Ameen. But that's it. That's all they're doing. So was matter like this in the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam with the Sahaba and everything, that when they wanted to make dua for somebody, that they had no connection with the person who needed the dua, and just say Ameen, Ameen, and think that they have done a lot of work? They beseeched Allah? No, it wasn't that case. Right? When Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam would make dua for somebody, you could see from his expression that his heart had connected with the individual, which is why I made the announcement over there. Yes, there are our Muslim brothers and sisters passing away, because it's a difficult time and more people are passing away. So after salah, make individual dua. Whoever will have that heart of pain for somebody else, he will make the dua. He will think about his own brothers and sisters. Every year, thousands and thousands of our own brothers and sisters dying in Kashmir, dying in Palestine, dying in Burma, Rohingya, all these places. No tear is shed. But no, these customary duas, and all these things we need to do. Somebody passes away, no, we need to do janaza ghaibana. Right? I mean, no. Those were specific things. To Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, yes, okay, difference of opinion, you want to do it, fine. But at least make it count. Make it count. If you want to do it, first know about the person. Right? Who is he? Who passed away? Oh, what did he do in his life? But some individual we making Salatul Janaza, but other 250,000 people we are not going to make the Salatul Janaza. Right? It doesn't seem right.